Need an easy recipe that's fun, tasty, and spicy on the road in your RV? You don't need this, a microwave. I got something special coming your way. Stay tuned. Today we are chefing it up, and I think it's a great recipe for you to do out on the road because you get to use your grill, you get to use some spices, and it feels so good when it's all said and done. We are going to do a coffee spiced rub pork tenderloin. I got them cut nice and thick, and we're going to marinate that, put the dry rub on that, and let that sit for a while before we get it on the grill. And then we're going to have new vegetables. That's what I'm calling it, new spiced vegetables. Basically, it's potatoes, some squash, and a couple other things. We're gonna cook that in some bacon fat to make that taste nice and good and juicy. Oh, I'm just so hungry just thinking about it right now. But first things first, we have to get the dry rub all mixed up and then onto the pork before we get it on the grill. Let's get it started.
To build out the rub, you want to start with some good coffee. We're going to add in some rosemary salt, then going to add in a little bit of thyme, some paprika, and then we're going to throw in some cardamom, which is a nice flavor to go with this. And then you want to add in some pepper.
So the rub is now complete. We want to just put it onto the pork. Again, we're going to add a little olive oil, put it in a bag, add the spices in there as well, get it all mixed up really nice and good. Then you're going to let it sit for a little while before you get it onto the grill.
Two quick things I forgot. We're going to add in some soy sauce and some minced garlic. Once everything is on the chops and you get it into the bag, you just zip it up, seal it, and let it rest for a while.
Hey everybody, just a reminder, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to alert you whenever a new video is posted. That way you can keep track of what's going on the RVJedeye channel right here. Pork is on the grill and it'll stay there for a couple of minutes on both sides. I will leave it there on one side until it's really cooked, and then I will flip it over. When I flip it over, that's when I'll actually start the vegetables. Now the vegetables, I'm going to cook them in some bacon fat. I cooked some bacon this morning and I'm reusing that fat, the leftover fat, add in a little butter to that. But the vegetables will take only a couple of minutes because I don't like to overcook my vegetables. Now I did microwave my potatoes so that I could get them nice and soft, and I will add them in with the green onions, the zucchini squash, the rosemary, a little bit of garlic, and some paprika, salt and pepper, and that's it. They'll go in quick and easy, and it'll time out perfectly for the pork. Well, the vegetables are ready. The pork is now ready. You just need to get it off the grill and let it rest a little bit. Everything's in the house. Time to plate it up and eat this bad boy. And there you have it, the coffee spice rubbed pork tenderloin with some vegetables. Let's go ahead. I put a little sauce, use some pan drippings, a little sour cream, a little Parmesan cheese. Let's try the potatoes. Excellent. This is a meal that I think I may do multiple times. It is absolutely fantastic. I really love it. And I have another piece of the pork that I can use as leftovers. So this meal will be duplicated. Hey, make sure when you're out there you are chefing it up, doing yourself right, because you need to have some good meals when you're on the road. just because you're on the road, no need to eat poorly. I'll put a link to how I make all of this underneath. Make sure you check it out. Of course, make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course at my blog at RVJedeye.com. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell so you get notified for new videos whenever they come out. Again, get out there, have fun, chef it up. It's all worth it.